The Nothing Phone 3A is set to redefine the mid-range smartphone experience with its unique design, optimized performance, and feature-packed specifications. Known for its futuristic transparent aesthetic and glyph interface, Nothing continues its trend of delivering innovative yet minimalistic devices. Starting with the display, the Nothing Phone 3A features a 6.8-inch AMOLED panel with FHD Plus resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring fluid animations and a smooth scrolling experience. With deep blacks, vibrant colors, and HDR support, the display promises immersive visuals whether you're streaming videos, gaming, or simply navigating through the UI. Under the hood, the smartphone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset, a processor designed to balance efficiency and power. The chipset is expected to deliver excellent performance for everyday tasks, multitasking, and even gaming, thanks to an improved Adreno GPU. Paired with 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM, users can expect seamless app switching and lag-free experiences. Storage options will likely range from 128 GB to 256 GB, providing ample space for media, apps, and files. In the camera department, Nothing has taken a significant leap. The triple camera setup consists of a 50MP main sensor, ensuring sharp and detailed images, a 50MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, perfect for capturing distant subjects with clarity, and a 50MP ultra-wide lens, making it ideal for landscape photography and group shots. Nothing's AI-driven image processing enhances dynamic range, low light performance, and color accuracy, making every shot Instagram-worthy. For selfies, the device is expected to house a 32MP front-facing camera, capable of recording high-quality videos and taking crisp selfies even in low light. Keeping the device powered throughout the day is a 5000 mAh battery with 45W fast wired charging. While wireless charging might not be present in this model, the wired charging speeds ensure a quick top-up in under an hour. Battery optimization features within Nothing OS 3.1, based on Android 15, further enhance efficiency, reducing unnecessary background drain. Speaking of software, Nothing OS 3.1 is expected to bring a bloat-free and smooth user experience, staying true to Nothing's commitment to minimalism. The interface will include improved AI features, better haptic feedback, and refined glyph lighting interactions, allowing users to set custom light patterns for notifications, calls, and alarms. On the design front, the Nothing Phone 3A retains the company's signature transparent back panel, showcasing the device's internal components in a futuristic way. The glyph interface has been slightly redesigned for better usability and customization, giving users more control over how their notifications and alerts are displayed through LED light patterns. The side-mounted power button now has an additional function, a customizable shortcut button for quick access to essential apps or features. Connectivity options include 5G support, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC, ensuring seamless communication and payment capabilities. While the device is rated at IP54 for water and dust resistance, it can withstand splashes and light rain, but isn't meant for underwater adventures. The under-display fingerprint sensor adds a layer of security and convenience, making unlocking the device swift and hassle-free. In terms of audio, the stereo speakers are expected to be enhanced with Nothing's custom-tuned sound profile, delivering clear and immersive sound whether you're watching movies or listening to music. The presence of Dirac audio enhancements further elevates the listening experience. With an expected price range of $449 to $499, the Nothing Phone 3A is shaping up to be a solid contender in the mid-range segment, offering a premium feel, optimized software, and a well-rounded hardware package. Whether you're drawn to its minimalist design, glyph interface, or powerful camera setup, the Nothing Phone 3A is expected to bring a refreshing take on smartphones in 2025. So, that wraps up everything you need to know about the Nothing Phone 3A. With its stunning transparent design, refined glyph interface, capable Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 processor, and powerful triple camera setup, this phone is shaping up to be an exciting option in the mid-range category. Nothing continues to push boundaries by delivering aesthetic innovation and smooth software experience, making the Phone 3A a compelling choice for those who want a unique yet powerful smartphone. Whether you're drawn to its customizable LED notifications, sleek performance, or AI-enhanced photography, this device is certainly worth keeping an eye on. What do you think about the Nothing Phone 3A? Would you consider buying it? Let us know in the comments below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more exciting tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and stay tech savvy.